How to verify your Bybit account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can complete your Bybit verification process. So without any further ado, let us begin. First of all, open up your Bybit. After you open it up, you will need to log into it. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And after you do so, tap on your profile ID or your icon on the top left. After you tap on it, you will see the unverified ID right here. If it says that, that means you're not verified. Now to verify, tap on unverified ID and you'll get the verify now option. Tap on verify now. Now you will need your proof of identity. So you might need to show your legal document. You will need to scan it. So keep that ready. After you do so, tap on verify. After you tap on verify, you can simply choose your country. After you choose your country, choose the document type. After you choose your document type, you will need to confirm it. After you confirm your document, simply tap on confirm and go back. So here, after you do so, you will need to go to identity assessment and you will need to scan your face. After you do so, your account will be ready to get verified. They will assess your account verification process and the documents and your identity assessment. After they check everything, and they will verify your account. It's that simple, guys. And that is all for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.